Hello, Caleb Tran here at Honda of Lincoln. Today I'm going to walk through how to use the Tire Inflator Kit on a hybrid Honda. First off, I'm going to show you where to locate the inflator kit. On your sedans, it is going to be in the trunk and it is going to be in the false floor, and here is the inflator kit. Also on the CR-V hybrid, it is still located in the back, but you are going to find it on the driver's side, and the inflator kit is here on your CR-Vs. So first off, make sure your car is pulled over to the side of the road in a safe position. Put your car in park and shut the vehicle off. Then you are going to come and get your inflator kit. There will be an instruction manual. Do know this is a multi-use, so you do have a gel that is used for your run flats. You also do have just the air compressor, so if you're needing just to put air in the tire, you can. If you have a damaged tire and you need to get it to the tire shop, there is a gel to seal that damage for you to get to a tire shop. So the inflator kit is powered by the 12-volt power source that you will find in all of the vehicles. On your Accord, it is going to be in the center console. So again, with the vehicle powered off in park, you're going to plug the 12-volt into the vehicle, and then you can turn your vehicle on or in accessory mode. So 2 clicks of the engine start-stop button without your foot on the brake to put it in accessory mode. Now on top of the inflator kit, this indicating just using the air compressor, this would be using the gel canister with the clear hoses designed, so you can see when this gel is completely in the damaged tire, you will stop seeing that gel come through this clear tube. On the bottom side, the black one, is just for air. Okay, so if you're just needing to air up your tire with the inflator kit, you would put this on your valve stem, and they do give you enough cord to reach the front and rear tires. Take your valve stem cap off. This does screw on like your valve stem cap. So it's not just a press, you are going to screw that in. After that is in, you are going to make sure it is on the pump, not the slime. You're gonna hit the power button. Here on the gauge, in the instruction manual, they will tell you between 1 and 2. The red numbers are actually the PSI that are in the tire. For the correct PSI, you're going to come over to the driver's door jamb, and here on this sticker is going to tell you the correct PSI for this car. Once the tire is to the correct PSI, you are just going to turn it off with the power button. Unscrew the inflator and make sure you put on your valve stem cap. If you are using the gel, that is a one-time use. You can replace the canisters at your Honda parts. They run about $50 to replace the gel canister. Do the same steps as far as connecting the hose to your valve stem. Except on the inflator, now you are going to again make sure it is off, turn it over all the way to the left, and the same process. Once you turn that on, you will start seeing that gel come through this clear hose. Like I said, once it is done, you're going to want to get that tire to 19 PSI. In the instruction manual, it says, then drive the car 5 rotations of the tire, and then continue with the air compressor to fill it up to the correct PSI. On this vehicle is 33 PSI. After you are done, make sure and unplug the compressor, and you can store it back in your trunk. Another thing to note is if you have a tire that is damaged to the point where the gel will not seal the tire, like if you have damage on the sidewall, a complete puncture, you can always call Roadside Assistance, and that number is here, and that is nationwide. Now you know how to properly inflate a damaged tire on your Honda. Thanks for watching.